Hello, I welcome you in this lecture of electrical machine, that is the based on the three-phase to two-phase conversion. This type of conversion is also known as Scott-T transformer connection. T means that is windings are connected in a T manner physically. That is, you can see this is a T. The Scott-T connection is method of connecting two single-phase transformers to perform the three-phase to two-phase conversion and vice versa. The two transformers are connected electrically but not magnetically. One of the transformer is called main transformer and the other is called auxiliary or teaser transformer. The following figure shows the Scott-T transformer connection. The main transformer is center tapped at T and is connected to the line B and C of three-phase side. These are the ABC. It has primary BC and secondary AA1. It has primary BC and secondary A1, A2. The teaser transformer is connected between the line terminal A and center tapping D. This is the line terminal A and the center tapping D. There is B1 and B2 and the terminal of second. There is A1 and A2. It has primary AB and secondary B1, B2. The identical interchangeable transformer are used for Scott-T connection, in which each transformer has primary winding of TP turns and it is provided with tapping at 0.289 TP, zero point 0.5 TP and 0.866 TP. Frequently identical interchangeable transformers are used for Scott connection. Phasor diagram of Scott connection transformer. The line voltage of three-phase system VAB, VBC and VCA, which are balanced, are shown in the following figure. They are 120 apart from each other in phase. The same voltage is shown as the closed bilateral triangle. The figure below shows the primary winding of main and secondary transformer. The magnitude of VAB equal to magnitude of VBC equal to magnitude of VCA and equal to VA. Here is VAB, VBC and VCA. These are 120 degree apart from each other. This diagram VAB, VBC and VC. There is VBB and VBC. Tapping voltages. The T divided the primary BC of main transformer into two halves and hence the number of turns in portion BD equal the number of turns in portion BC, that is equal to TP upon 2. TP is the number of turns in primary the voltage VT and VDC are equal and they are in phase with VDC. We can see from here VDD is equal to VDC upon half of VDC is equal to half of here and phase angle is 0 degree. That is the phase angle, symbol of angle. And this is not plus bar, this is the angle symbol. The voltage between A and D is VAD is equal to VAD plus VBD. Now VAD is equal to VF half of plus V3 by 2 of plus VA. This is because VL is 120 degree and half of VL is 0 degree. Thus VAD and VBD values are in magnitude same, but they are 120 degree apart from each other. VAD is equal to VF root 3 by 2. That is the point 86 is VF and angle is 90 degree. A secondary transformer has a primary voltage rating that is root 3 by 2 or 0.866 of voltage ratings of the main transformer. Voltage rating is applied to the primary of TJ transformer and therefore secondary of the voltage of secondary transformer, which leads the secondary terminal voltage V2M of main transformer by 90 degree as shown in following figure. V2T lead V2M by 90 degree. Now equate the ratios PS1 upon PAT is equal to PS upon PAD. Voltage is voltage ratio and turn ratio. Then voltage of V2T is equal to TS upon PAD into PAD. Now putting the values of TAD, we get TS upon TP to PL is equal to PVA. For keeping the voltage per turn same in primary of the main transformer and the primary of secondary transformer, the number of turns in primary of secondary transformer should be equal to root 3 by 2 Tp. Thus, the secondaries of both transformers should have equal voltage rating. Then V2T and V2M are equal in magnitude and 90 degree apart in time. They result in the balanced two-phase system. Now we discuss about the position of neutral point N. The primary of the two transformers may have a 4-wire connection to a 3-phase supply if the technique N is provided on primary or secondary transformer such that the voltage across N is equal to Vn, phase voltage is equal to V1 upon root 3, where VL is line voltage, so voltage across the portion AD. VL is equal to root 3 by 2 VL, the voltage across the portion ND. ND is equal to ND is equal to VAD minus VA. This is shown in equation. The same voltage term portion AN and ND and AD are shown by the equation VPN, number of turns. VA is equal to primary turns divided with PND is equal to primary turns 1 root 3 and number of turns in ND section is equal to root 3 primary turns 1 2 and the ratio of number of turns AN and number of turn nd is equal to 2. The equation above shown that the neutral point end divided the primary of secondary in ratio an and n is equal to 2 ratio 1. Now the application of Scott connections. The following are the application of Scott-T connections. The Scott-T connection is used in electric furnace installation where it is desired to operate two single fields together and draw a balance load from the three-phase supply. It is used to simply supply single-phase load such as electric trains which are so scheduled as to keep the load on three-phase system as nearly as possible. The Schottky connection is used to link three-phase system with a two-phase system with the flow of power in either direction. The Schottky or Scott connection permits conversion of a three-phase to two-phase system and vice versa. But since two-phase generators are not available in conversion from two-phase to three-phase are not within practice. Thank you for listening.